Hi techies, welcome to another session of Algomiz. In the previous session, we have discussed basics of dictionary. This is a continuation of last session. Now let us see how to find number of items in the dictionary. Here we have a dictionary called vehicle and in which we have 3 items, and now in order to find number of items in the dictionary, we will have to use length function. Let us print length of vehicle, for which mention length function and inside parentheses mention the dictionary. Here it is vehicle. Printing out this will get number of items present in the vehicle dictionary. And it's 3. Now let us see data type a dictionary item can have. The values in dictionary items can be of any data type. Let us create a dictionary with a few data types. Here we are having vehicle dictionary, and in which we have first key brand holds a string value Ford, second key model again holds string value Mustang, third key year holds integer value 1964, fourth key colors holds list of values black, blue, and red. And finally we have sold, key holds Boolean value true. Now let us try printing vehicle and see what all data types, the values in dictionary items can be of. See here, it accepts all data types, so let us conclude that the values in dictionary items can be of any data type. Here we have seen data type of a dictionary item. Now let us see data type of a dictionary. For which let us use type method. From Python's perspective, dictionaries are defined as objects with the data type dict. In order to check this, print result of type method. For which write down type method and inside parentheses mention the dictionary, here it's vehicle. Here we are getting output dict. Now let us try creating dictionary using dict method. Let us declare a variable. Here we are declaring variable called this dict. In which let us store a dictionary. For which let us use dict method. So let us write dict and inside parentheses mention the items. Firstly, we have key name. Instead of using colon here, we are using equal symbol and followed by that mentioning value. And each item should be separated by commas. Here we have name equal to John, age equal to 35 and country equal to Norway. Now printing out this dict will give us dictionary this dict. This is how dictionary is creating using dict method. So far, we have discussed basics of dictionary. Hope you enjoyed the session. Please do like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and happy programming.